If you're ready to give your iPhone 17 a fresh look, changing the wallpaper is the perfect way to personalize your device. Whether you want to use a photo, emoji pattern, or one of Apple's animated designs, iOS 26 makes it easy to customize both your home screen and lock screen to match your style. Let's start with the first method, changing wallpapers through the Settings app. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap Wallpaper. Next, tap Add New Wallpaper. You'll now see several wallpaper categories, such as Photos, Photo Shuffle, Emoji, Color, Astrology, and Weather. For this guide, let's choose from Collections. Browse through the available options and tap the wallpaper you like. You'll see a preview screen where you can experiment with customization tools, adjust the depth effect, change date and time widgets, or modify color themes to match your personality. When you're happy with the result, tap Add at the top right corner. You'll then be asked whether to set as wallpaper pair or customize home screen. If the default pairing looks good, choose the first option. Otherwise, tap Customize home screen to make adjustments before saving. When finished, tap Done to apply your changes. You'll immediately see your new wallpaper in action. Now for the second method, changing wallpapers directly from the lock screen. Go to your lock screen and press and hold on an empty area until the Customize window appears. Swipe right to browse existing wallpapers or tap Add New to create one from scratch. Choose any from the available categories, then tap Add. Finally, select Set as Wallpaper Pair or Customize Home Screen, then tap Done to save. You can also quickly edit your current wallpaper without changing it completely. Simply press and hold the lock screen again, then tap Customize beneath your active wallpaper. From here, you can add widgets, tweak shortcuts, or adjust effects. Once you're finished, tap Done to save your changes. And that's it. You've just personalized your iPhone 17's wallpaper to make it truly yours. Whether it's a favorite photo, a calming color, or one of Apple's dynamic wallpapers, a quick change can completely refresh your phone's appearance. If this video helped you style your iPhone just the way you want, give it a like and check out our other tutorials to discover more ways to personalize your device. Thanks for watching.